Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making quiche. They are wonderful and so easy to make. You can fill them with so many different ingredients to your liking. This recipe is also very creamy and flavorful because I add a small amount of sour cream to the heavy cream, and that's my secret to make it above the notch. First, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I have store-bought deep dish pie crusts that are no longer frozen. I then prick the bottom and sides using forks so they don't puff up. Then I bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, take it out and prick the area that are puffed up and set aside. These are the ingredients for the quiche. The filling will make 2 quiche, and each quiche requires 5 eggs. We have additional ingredients here, which are sour cream and chopped kale leaves. Put 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. When the butter melts, add 1 cup diced ham and saute briefly. If you don't want to use ham, you can use bacon, crumbled breakfast sausage, mushrooms, diced bell peppers, basically anything you like. Add 4 cups chopped kale leaves. I'm only using 2 cups here and it is not enough for my second quiche. Saute until the kale is softened. Turn off heat and set aside. This filling is enough for 2 quiche. Crack 5 eggs and whisk thoroughly. I use a measuring cup so it's easy to pour the eggs. These eggs are from my friend's farm and the eggs are really tasty. The yolks are dark yellow or orange in color. I'll show you on my future episode how the eggs are different. Add 3/4 cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon sour cream, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, some fresh ground pepper, and whisk. Pour half of the filling on the crust, reserving the other half for another quiche. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. Add 3/4 cup shredded cheese of your choice. I use half mild cheddar and half quesadilla blend. Pour the entire egg mixture, then add the remaining 1/4 cup shredded cheese. Bake in the oven 350 degrees for 30 minutes, then 375 degrees for an additional 15 minutes. Oven temperature varies, so you may have to watch it in the last 10 minutes. Take it out from the oven and serve warm. It is easier to cut the quiche when it has cooled. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.